Today I'm going to show you how to access Home Assistant from anywhere without having it exposed directly to the internet using Tailscale. Tailscale allows you to access your Home Assistant dashboard and control your smart home from anywhere with just a few clicks. I will walk you through the setup process, ensuring that your smart home remains safe and secure without the hassle of network configuration. And if you're ready, let's go! Tailscale is a zero-config VPN that provides end-to-end encryption using WireGuard's technology. In simple, this means that all your data travels encrypted from device to device. And not only that, they also added peer-to-peer technology to the mix, so you don't have to worry about ports, firewalls, and stuff like that. It just works. To get this working, first we need an account. I will leave the link in the description. Here you can find many plans you can choose, but the free option should be more than enough for most use cases. It gives us access to up to 3 users and up to 100 devices, and all that VPN magic I just talked about. So just click on Get Started, and here we need to create an account. Select the provider that you want to use, and just click on it, and log in. And that's it. You can see here that you already have the free plan, and now to install it, just go to my website, and here just click on this button to start the setup process. Now click on Open Link, and then just click Install. While this is installing, I want to take the time, as always, to thank the developer who made all of this possible. Frank is the biggest contributor for add-ons like this to the Home Assistant ecosystem. He is behind the creation of 72% of the add-ons in the default repository, and he is also one of the main Home Assistant developers now. So kudos to him for all this fantastic work that helped Home Assistant become what it is today. After it's finished, just make sure that you select the Watchdog option, so if anything happens, Home Assistant will restart the add-on for you. And now click Start. Now click on Open Web UI, and here just click on Login. And then just click Connect. And that's it. We already have our Home Assistant instance working. This is a private IP, so to be able to access it, you need to add a second device. I'm going to show you this using my Android phone, but you can see here that it is available for almost every platform. So select the one that you need and follow the instructions. Here I'm just going to install it on my Android phone. Then just open it, allow the notifications, and touch Get Started. Here just sign in into your account. And here just select OK. And that's it. You can see now that my phone is already available on the VPN, and now I can use this IP to connect to my Home Assistant. I'm just going to touch it, and then go to your Home Assistant application. Here click Continue, and we are going to enter the address manually. And here we're going to paste the IP. It needs to start with http://. If you wonder why am I only using HTTP, it's because the communication between your device and Home Assistant is already handled by Tailscale. And as I said in the beginning, all the data is encrypted from device to device, so there is nothing to worry about. And then paste IP. If you have it as default, the port should be 81.3. So just add a column here, and then 8123. And now just touch Connect. Enter your username and password, and then touch Login. You can even enable location tracking. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video about presence detection. And then just touch Continue. And that's it. As long as you have Tailscale connected on your phone, you can use this IP to connect from anywhere to Home Assistant. That easy. And this is only an example of the many things that you can do with Tailscale. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when I get to my AdWord video, and I will show you how you can use Tailscale to remove the ads from any device you want, without having to root it. And now I want to know from you, what other videos do you want me to cover? Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Tailscale enables you to access Home Assistant from anywhere with just a few clicks.